Building a house in just 1 week may seem impossible, but with the right planning and execution, it can be done. In this video, we will take you through the entire process, from start to finish, in just 1 minute. First, let's begin with the foundation. A strong and solid foundation is crucial for any house. Our team of experts carefully excavates the site and lays the foundation, ensuring it is level and sturdy. Next, we move on to the framing stage. This is where the structure of the house starts to take shape. Our skilled carpenters work diligently to construct the walls, floors, and roof. Once the framing is complete, it's time for the electrical and plumbing work. Our licensed electricians and plumbers ensure that all the necessary connections are made and that everything is up to code. With the infrastructure in place, it's time to focus on the interior. Our team of designers works closely with the homeowners to choose the perfect finishes such as flooring, paint colors, and fixtures. While the interior is being worked on, our landscaping team is busy transforming the exterior. They create beautiful gardens, install pathways, and add the finishing touches to enhance the curb appeal. Finally, it's time for the last step, the finishing touches. Our team meticulously cleans the entire house, making sure every surface is spotless. They also do a final inspection to ensure everything is in perfect order. And there you have it, a house built in just 1 week. It's a testament to the skill and dedication of our team. We hope you enjoyed this fast-paced journey through the construction process. Thank you for watching. Next, we move on to the framing. This is where the structure of the house starts to take shape. Using high-quality materials, our skilled workers construct the walls, floors, and roof, ensuring everything is properly aligned and secure. Once the framing is complete, it's time for the electrical and plumbing work. Our experienced technicians install all the necessary wiring and pipes, ensuring that the house is equipped with modern amenities and meets all safety standards. With the infrastructure in place, it's time to focus on the interior. Our team of skilled craftsmen meticulously work on the walls, floors, and ceilings, giving the house its unique character and style. From painting to tiling, every detail is taken care of to create a beautiful living space. Now let's not forget about the exterior. Our team works on the landscaping, ensuring that the house blends seamlessly with its surroundings. From a well-maintained lawn to a beautiful garden, we create an inviting and aesthetically pleasing exterior. Finally, it's time for the finishing touches. Our team installs fixtures such as lights, faucets, and cabinets, giving the house its final polish. We also conduct a thorough inspection to ensure that everything is in perfect working order. And just like that, in just 1 week, a house is built from the ground up. It's a testament to the dedication and expertise of our team. So, if you're looking to build your dream home quickly and efficiently, trust us to make it a reality. Contact us today to get started on your own fast-tracked house construction project. Building a house in just 1 week is no longer a dream, but a reality.